Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window on a Chrysler 300. First, gather your essential tools such as a trim removal tool, a socket set, and a new window. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your car's battery before starting. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel. This usually involves prying off trim pieces and unscrewing a few fasteners. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or wiring. With the door panel off, you'll see the window regulator mechanism. Carefully detach the old window glass from the regulator. There are usually a few bolts or clips holding it in place. Once it's free, gently guide the damaged window pane out of the door frame. Be cautious of any remaining broken glass. After removal, thoroughly clean the window channel to ensure no glass fragments remain, which could impede the new window. Now it's time to install your new window. Carefully slide the new glass into the door frame, ensuring it seats properly in the channels. Once in place, reattach the window regulator to the new window. Make sure all bolts and clips are securely fastened. Before putting the door panel back on, reconnect the battery temporarily and test the window's movement. Ensure it glides smoothly up and down without any binding. With the new window functioning correctly, you can now reassemble the door. Carefully align the interior door panel and snap it back into place, ensuring all clips and screws are secured. Reconnect your car's battery. Perform a final test of the window's operation, checking for smooth movement and proper sealing. Finally, clean the new window and surrounding areas to remove any fingerprints or debris, leaving a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.